Hello guys, welcome to this video. Here's Thomas. Feel free to subscribe to my channel right down here under the video and turn on the notification bell. This is another video where I'm going to talk about business opportunities and options, what you have as a foreigner in Mexico or in Mexico City without even speaking any Spanish. I already published a video where I was talking about festivals and ferias where you can be selling stuff in Mexico. I've done it before, so there's all my experience there in that video. In this video I'm going to talk about other things you can do in Mexico, and of course why not to use your language knowledge. You don't speak Spanish but you speak English. You are an English native speaker ideally, or your English is really good, something like mine. Please be confident and go for teaching English. There's many language schools in Mexico that they are looking for ideally native English speakers, but also for anyone who speaks English at least C1 or C2 level and who is foreigner, because that sells. Mexicans want to learn English from non-Mexicans. Okay, so that you are not able to speak Spanish is not a problem, and not at all, because you can explain and yourself and you can teach everything you need your students just by using English and using English textbooks. So prepare your CV. CV would be good, actually, it's better if it is in Spanish, so use Google Translate, very easy. But even if your CV is just in English, print your CVs and or resumes if you want, and go walk around the town and distribute them in every language school in Mexico where you are. And I guarantee to you that you will be invited for interviews and you will be offered a job at many of these schools as an English teacher. They will provide you with the materials, they will provide you with the students. You will just need to come to the premises of the language school or to the premises of the company where you will be learning, teaching, and that's it. You can be quite busy, you will gain experience, then you will be able to advertise online, offer your English teaching service on Facebook groups, different websites in Mexico, and you will also get private students where you can earn better money. You can easily charge something like 250 pesos per hour when you're teaching privately, or even more. And once you build your clientele, then you can do this full time. You can be teaching students in a library or in their home or in your place and easily live off it while living in Mexico City. Even at the beginning it can help you while you're waiting for your work visa. Well, the language school should arrange that for you when they decide to hire you, but that process takes months, maybe can take in total up to 3 months to get the work visa and residency card. So while you're waiting, you can teach already privately your students. So that's another thing you can do in Mexico. Just use your languages. If you speak French, if you are from Quebec or France, or if you speak German, there is demand for these languages, even Russian. Yes, you can find students. Go to meetup.com. there is many expat groups where expats and locals meet and learn and practice English together. That's how you can find private clients. So I hope this helped. If you have any experience with teaching English in Mexico and you would like to share it with us, and if you would like to share your link to your offer, to your page, feel free to comment under the video. Just please give it a like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.